Let's learn the information creation and sharing tool Knoll in 5 minutes or less. And we are on Knoll, located at knoll.google.com, and you can register for Knoll very easily using your Google account. You can create a Google account very quickly, and once you're in, it's very easy to get started. I'm going to go ahead here and click Write a Knoll, and it defaults to create a new Knoll. This is the default, so you're not copying a template or using other information, so we'll use that. And you'll see that once you click on that, you're in. Now, my information for my Google account is automatically populated, and there are some other fields in here that are populated automatically. Here it says Mark Barnes also wrote, so there's a Knoll that I've created for anyone who gets to this one. So we'll just come up here and we'll say that the title of this is How to Use Knoll, and we could put a subtitle. We'll just call it Cool Tools, and then you can put a brief summary in there if you want to, which kind of appears at the top. But then really where you want to begin your work is down here. So I want to start writing down here. Knoll is like a wiki, which means that I can create this and I can set it up so other people can collaborate with me on this, and that's kind of nice. It's similar to Wikipedia, so I can invite others to come in and add information, or I can make it so they can't do that if I want to. So I could put this in, and you can add pictures to Knoll if you like, and so I might come in here. You could add links to Knoll if you like. There's a lot of different things that you can do. So let's say that I want to create a actually that's the link for this Knoll. Let's say I want to add a link. I'm going to come up to here. Let's say I want to show my classroom website, Barnes class website, and then I can tell it the address, and that's barnesclass.com. So I could just go ahead and add that in here. So maybe up here, if I were talking about that, I would say with Knoll I can share info on anything, for example, and I've got that there. So as you can see, up here you've got a very simple toolbar. You can insert all kinds of things. You can get pictures if you're using Picasa, which is a Google tool. You can do that. You can put in spreadsheets. You can add a YouTube video, which is you would click on that and you get your address in there. If I want to, I can put a table in. I can do just about anything I want to with my Knoll, and then I've created information, and I've created something that I can share. I can use Twitter, I can use Facebook, I can invite. So if I come up here, I just click share and invite. I can invite authors. I can set the license up. Do I want it to be a Creative Commons where other people can use the information and do anything they want with it? There's a whole lot of things that I can do with Knoll. So here it says publish. So I would come in and just publish my Knoll, and that would be it. I would be pretty much ready to go. So I'd return to my Knolls, and once again, here's my handy little home page, and there's my new Knoll. So I could go ahead and click on that, and there's not much there right now, but I can come in and edit this whenever I want to. And as you can see, I put that one link on there. So there's my example. It jumps me right over to my classroom website, which is what I wanted it to do. And that is Knoll at knoll.google.com in 5 minutes or less.